the train that waits for no destination. Have you ever felt like everyone else had a map, but you were the only one without a destination? At midnight, when the world falls quiet, a strange train waits at an abandoned platform. No signs, no schedule, only a single lamp glowing dimly, as if it knows you've arrived. You stand there without a ticket, pockets empty, a heart full of questions that won't settle. The night hums with insects and far-off wind, and your footsteps echo like soft replies. The train doesn't ask for tickets. It doesn't even ask where you're going. Its doors open with a slow sigh, like an old friend inviting you home. Inside, the air smells faintly of cedar and rain. Velvet benches line the carriage, threadbare in places, but carefully kept, as though someone believes in comfort. Brass handles cool to the touch, windows polished by 1,000 passing nights. You take a seat. The lamp above you flickers once, then steadies into a gentle glow. Somewhere in the distance, a bell rings. Not urgent, just a reminder that movement is possible. Through the windows, the world begins to shift. One moment, endless fields of silver grass, bowing gently beneath a quiet moon. Another, a sea shimmering like liquid glass, stretching further than your fears. In the distance, mountains glow faintly, as though painted by starlight. The train moves without sound, like it glides across streams instead of tracks. Stations drift by with names you can't pronounce, and yet each one feels oddly familiar, like places you promised yourself you'd visit someday. And somewhere between silence and motion, a thought rises. You don't need to know the destination. Sometimes all you need is the courage to step inside. The words aren't spoken, yet they settle into your chest, steady and warm. Outside, the silver grass becomes a river of light, and the river becomes a sky you once wished upon. Maybe that's the truth we forget, that life isn't about always knowing. It isn't about rushing to be certain. It's about moving, even when the map is unfinished, even when no one else understands your path. So tonight, if you feel lost, let the train carry you. Sit by the window, watch the dark turn tender, and let the rhythm beneath your feet remind you you are already on your way. Close your eyes. Trust the quiet between each breath. Know that the journey itself is enough. Good night.